Good morning, student. In the last class, we have taken simple equation new chapter, chapter number 4, and we have completed two part explanation part. And based on that, we will do the exercise today. Okay. Exercise number 4.1. What is given in the first question? Complete the last column and say whether it is satisfied or not satisfied. Okay. So one by one I am doing the problem separately. First problem, x plus 3 equal to 0. If x equal to 3, check whether it is satisfying the equation. Satisfies means what? Both the sides should be equal. So I am putting the 3 value in the equation for x. 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So 6 equal to 0. Whether 6 is equal to 0? No. So no, it is not satisfied. Okay. Same thing for the second problem. X plus 3 equal to 0. If x equal to 0, put the value x equal to 0 in the x. 0 plus 3 equal to 0. So 3 is equal to 0. 3 is equal to 0. No, it is not satisfied. Then third equation. X plus 3 equal to 0. If x equal to minus 3, then substitute for x value minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 3, yes, it is 0. That is equal to 0. Yes, it is satisfies. Like that, fourth and fifth problem, you take it as a homework. Okay. Sixth question like that. 5x plus of equal to 25. 5x equal to 25. If x equal to 0, they are telling. Then substitute the value of x. 5 into 0, 0. That is equal to 25? No, it is not satisfies. Same thing, go for seventh question. 5x equal to 25. 5x equal to 25. If x equal to 5, put in the equation. 5 into 5, 25. Other side also 25. Yes, that x value 5 is satisfies. Then 8th problem you take it as a homework. 9th problem I am doing. 10th and 11th problem you take it as a homework. 10th and 11th problem take it as a homework. 9th problem I am solving. M upon 3 equal to 2. If m equal to minus 6, then substitute for m value. Minus 6 upon 3 should be equal to 2. Cancel it. So you will get 3 can divide minus 6 by minus 2 time. Minus 2 is equal to 2. No, it is not satisfied. So this is your first question in your exercise 4.1. Second question. Given value in bracket is a solution of the given equation or not. You have to check whether this the value is given is satisfying this equation or not. First equation you see n plus 5 equal to 19, where n equal to 1. Put the value of 1 there. 1 plus 5 equal to 19? No, 6 is not equal to 19. So n equal to 1 is not a solution. That is the first question. Second question. 7n plus of 5 equal to 19, where n equal to minus 2. Substitute in that value. 7 into minus 2, 14, minus 14, plus 5, that it should be equal to 19. If we find minus 14 plus 5, you will get minus 9. That is equal to 19? No, it is not equal to 19. So, n equal to minus 2 is not a solution. Then, 7n plus of 5 equal to 19, where n equal to 2. Substitute the n value. 7 into 2, 14, plus of 5, and other side it is 19. If you add both sides, you will be getting 19 and 19. Both are equal. Yes, the given n equal to 2 is a solution. Same way for the D problem. See, 4p minus 3 equal to 13, where p value is given 1. Substitute there. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 3, that should be equal to 13. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is equal to 13? No, it is not equal. So it is not a solution. P equal to 1 is not a solution. Same way E and F, you take it as a homework. Fourth question. Write the equation for the following statement. That means statement is given, you have to convert into equation. What is the first one is given? The sum of number x and 4 is 9. The sum means addition. Sum of addition of number x and 4 is 9. That means x plus of 4 equal to 9. Right? That is the first answer. Second one. 2 subtracted from y is 8. What is that? 2 subtracted from y is 8. That means what? From y you have to subtract 2. Y minus 2 equal to 8. That is your equation. Y minus 2 equal to 8. Third one. 10 times of a is 70. What is that? 10 times of a is 70. That means what? 10 multiple of a. 10a means multiple of a. 10a equal to 70. That is your equation. The next equation you see, the number b divided by 5 gives you 6. The number b divided by 5. So, b should be divided by 5. Your answer should be equal to 6. That is your equation. b upon 5 equal to 6. That is your equation. Fifth problem. 3/4 of a t is 15. 3/4 means 3 upon 4 into t. T means into t equal to 15. So 3 upon 4 into t equal to 15. And then sixth problem. 7 times of m plus 7 get you 77. 7 times of m plus 7 gets you 77. The answer is what? 7 times of m means 7m plus of 7 equal to 77. Your equation is 7m plus 7 equal to 77. Then, seventh problem. If 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives you 4. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives you 4. 1/4 means what? 1 upon 4 times of x. 1 upon 4 times of x minus of 4 gives you 4. Minus of 4 gives you 4. Then ninth problem and eighth problem you take it as a homework in this fourth question. Okay. Then fifth question. What is asked in the fifth question? Write the equation in statement form. That means what? Equation is given. You have to convert into word statement. So what is the first problem? P plus of 4 equal to 15. So what you have to write in statement? The sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. The sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. That is your answer. M minus 7 equal to 3. How to write it? 7 is subtracted from m is 3. 7 is subtracted from m is 3. Third problem. 2m equal to 7. So simple letter. 2 times of m is 7. 2 times of m is 7. Then fourth one. M upon 5 equal to 3. M upon 5 equal to 3. The number m is divided by 5 gives 3. The number m divided by 5 gives 3. Fifth problem. 3m upon 5 equal to 6. 3m upon 5 equal to 6. So what is the statement? 3/5 of m is 6. 3/5 of m is 6. That is the statement. Then sixth problem. 3p plus of 4 equal to 25. So what you have to write? 3 times of p plus 4 gets you 25. Like that, seventh problem, eighth problem, you take it as a homework. Then sixth question. Framing or forming equation. One word problem is given. You have to convert it into equation form. What is given? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times of the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has totally 37 marbles. That means his 37 marbles he is saying in equation form. How he comparing with the Parmeet? Parmeet is what? Let the number of Parmeet has x marble. Let you will assume to whom they are talking. You assume that one as a x marbles. He is having x marbles. And what the Irfan says, he says 5 times of Parmeet has he is having. So x into 5. That means 5x. And 7 marbles more he is telling. That means 7 marbles more. So totally how much Irfan will be having? 5x, 5 times of Parmeet marble plus of 7. So that is this one. 5x plus of 7. And what he says? That 5x plus of 7 is nothing but total 37 marbles. So equate it. 5x plus 7 equal to 37. So that is the given equation for the problem given. Then second question. Lakshmi father's age is 49 and he says that he is 4 years older than 3 times of his daughter. That means Lakshmi age. So based on Lakshmi they are telling. So you have to assume the age of Lakshmi as some variable. Here in the book they are given y. So let us assume age of Lakshmi as y years. Okay. Her father age is, what her father says, 4 years older. That means more 4 year. So you have to add. And how many times? 3 times of his Lakshmi age or daughter age, his daughter age. So 3y plus of 4 is nothing but father age. But actual age is what? 49. Therefore the equation is 3y plus of 4 equal to 49. 3y plus of 4 equal to 49. That is our equation. Up to this one today we will complete, and the remaining two problem we will continue in the next class. Thank you.